Hello everyone, my name is Nithesh from EC Department of Srinivas Institute of Technology. My topic is here to modification to the present umbrella. An umbrella is a portable canopy used for protection against rain or sunlight. It is typically consists of a collapsible canopy attached to a handle. The idea is here to explore potential modification and innovation to enhance the functionality, durability, and user-friendly umbrella. Some potential ideas could include integrating solar panels into the umbrellas to charge devices, the temperature regulating materials used to prevent from excessive heat buildup. GPS tracking technology is used to track misplaced umbrellas. Through mobile app, we can receive a notification of weather alerts and reminders to carry the umbrellas. Reinforced and flexible materials to withstand strong winds. Integrated of LED lights or a power bank for charging electronic devices. Hydrophobic materials are an automatic drying mechanism to prevent water retention. An adjustable strap or a hand-free design for convenient use. Here is the components used for this: UV blocking fabric or coating, reinforced frame with flexible materials, adjustable strap or hands-free mechanism, temperature regulating materials, LED lights, power bank integrations, hydrophobic fabric or automatic drying mechanism, voice control compatibility, GPS tracking technology. And this is the prototype for the. Thank you.